Mortgage interest rates remain steady for both 15-year and 30-year fixed-rate mortgages. It's Friday, February 16th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. Prices are up across the state year to date. Allegheny County is up 14.1%. Calvert County increased 3.1%. Charles County rose 9%. Garrett County is up 7.4%. Montgomery County prices rose 1.9%. Prince George's County is up 4.1%. St. Mary's County rose 13.9%. Washington County is up 5.2%. Here's the activity this past week. 926 homes are coming soon, a 23.87% increase over last week. 1,318 homes hit the market, falling this week 0.86%. 624 went under contract, 13.61% increase from last week. 878 moved to pending, a 3.91% increase from the prior week. 868 sold at 99.6% list-to-sold ratio in 22 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Moncton for $3,150,000. Rentals fell to $2,367, available, priced at $2,300 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, February 16th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.